In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit questions in Edpuzzle. Whether you need to fix a typo, change an answer, or update a question for your students, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you are logged in to your teacher account and go to the left side area of the navigation and click the My Content. From here, all I have to do is super simple. Go to the video that you want to edit the questions. In my case, I am choosing this specific content. And then go to the edit button, which has the pencil icon. This is where you can edit the question here in the left side area. As you can see, I have an open-ended question. And if you want to edit that, simply click on it. You will be forwarded here. Now, as you can see, the pencil icon is grayed out, but if you hover your mouse, as you can see, it's highlighted. So that means you can edit that questions here or question. For example, let's say we're gonna create a new one, and I don't want to allow audio responses. Once you are happy, click the save button. And then you can do this all over again for all of the questions that you wanted to edit. Okay, it's super simple, right? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to edit Edpuzzle questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.